keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 4 Environmental Studies Part 1 Chapter number 14 Maps and Symbols. Students, in the previous chapter we had learned about directions and maps. There are four main directions. Those are east, west, north and south. These directions are very important in the map. Children, in this picture, there are a lot of objects. Observe these objects carefully. Can you all see some difference in these objects? Yes, of course, there is a lot of difference in these objects. There are some objects which are natural and there are some objects which are man-made. Let us classify them into two groups, that is natural and man-made groups. Natural group includes a river, tree, hill and grass, whereas man-made group includes a school, a water tower, a house and a road. A whole environment is made of both these things, that is, natural and man made things, which both are very important for us. Kids, can you all observe this picture? In this picture, also, there are many natural and man made things. This picture is a locality of a girl named Anju. In her locality, there are different things. Let us see it clearly. Here is Anju's house, and on the other side, there is Anju's school. Think for a while and tell me what route will Anju take to go to her school? Yes, Anju passes along a narrow lane and a main road on her way to school. There are several things on both the sides of the lane as well as the road. Let us see each and everything very carefully. Children, I want you all to remember all these places. Firstly, there is a central market. Then there is a post office. And near to the post office, there is Anju's house and a statue is also situated over there. Here we are in Anju's colony. In her colony, there is a banyan tree. Next comes the Zilla Parishad office, which is situated to Anju's house. Near to that office, there is a hotel. And besides that, there is also a district hospital. A park is also there where Anju goes to play. There is a police chowki and near to that there is police colony where all the police officials live. Near to the police chowki there is district telecom exchange center and near to that there is Anju's school. This is how Anju's locality is situated. They have different roads to go to different places. There are small lanes as well as there is a main road. Even there are two bus stops. You have to remember all these things very carefully. In what place what is situated. A smaller picture of Anju's house and locality is given to you all. However, realistic pictures of trees and buildings are not shown in it. In their place, certain symbols are drawn. What the symbols represent is also mentioned against each of them. There are some things which are not shown in this picture. Such a picture is called a sketch. To draw a sketch, there are different symbols used, right? Coming to Anju's house. Anju's house is shown in black, which is given a symbol of house. Children, you can observe in the whole picture, each and every place is given different color so that we can identify those places easily. Trees are also given different symbols. The central market is having different color. The park is in different color, that is green. Anju's school is also shown in yellow color. The telephone exchange center is also in green color, but the shade is different. Where else? Both the colonies, that is Anju's colony as well as the police colony, are in peach color. The Zilla Parishad office is in orange color. The hotel is shown in red color. The district hospital is in green color. The post office is in pink color and the statue is shown with the help of an yellow dot. This is what is called a sketch. Instead of realistic pictures, they show some object and the names are written. Even while making a sketch, how many objects are given, how many times, that number is also written. For example, there are 4 houses, so the symbol for the houses is given 4 times. Therefore, they have to write the number 4 besides the houses. Let us see how maps are made. We made use of different symbols while making the sketch. To convert the sketch into a map, we need to show the directions and include an index and a title and a scale. Moving objects are not included on a map. For example, people walking, moving vehicles, etc. A winding road in an area is shown to take exactly the same turns on the map. This is how roads, rivers, and railway lines are always shown on the map. Children, you all can observe there are different changes made in this map. While reading a map, it is very important that the symbols which are used in the index and the colors which are used should be similar to the real ones, or else it will create a lot of confusion. This is how maps are made. They make use of scale to show the area and index to show different things. Let us see a real map. This is a map of Maharashtra. Here, major tourist places and transport routes are shown. Below in the corner, they have shown the directions, and below that, they have also shown the area, how much area is occupied. You can see the index clearly. District headquarters are shown in yellow dot. Major places or stations are shown in white color. Caves have different symbols and the forts also have different symbols. National highways and railways are also shown using different lines. The colors of the lines are different. I hope you have understood the symbols which are used in the maps and how they are used. Now let us have a short recap of what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned how to identify man-made and natural elements. Our environment has both natural and man-made objects. Special symbols are used for making maps. I hope this chapter was very useful for you all. Stay safe and enjoy learning.